Every time it's become 4:45, my mind will become enthusiastic.
11.
Update your score, you have to go and update your score there. Okay? It's an open challenge. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, Team 5. Write the score as 10k means 10k, not 000. So we cannot use the word it's me. Okay? We cannot use word it's me.
Even your best close friend doesn't know.
Listening to my own heartbeat. So many people. Looking at a crowded street. Listening to my own heartbeat. So tell me, where do I find? Haven't got a clue. Taken to your soul.
The strike number 1 will do first.
4. Trying to forget, but I won't let go. Trying to forget, but I won't let go.
Hiding from the raining and snow, trying to forget, but I won't let go.
But I won't let go. Looking at empty street, listening to my class.
I observe and listening.
Concentration and listening.
From this class, I observed a communication skill by communicating with the other team members also.
Nice to meet you all. The main skill which we observed in this class is listening. Why? Because only if we have a good listening skill, then only we will understand what the whole concept or what the whole activity